Hello everyone, today we're going to be demonstrating how to place and remove a rack system from a Systec autoclave.
First, line up the trolley with the slot in the base plate of the autoclave. Then disengage the lock and push the rack system into the autoclave without interfering with the temperature probes on the ceiling of the chamber. Now re-engage the lock and pull the trolley away from the autoclave. Now to remove the rack system from the autoclave, push the trolley up to the autoclave, disengage the lock, and pull the rack system onto the trolley. Next, re-engage the lock, and you can pull the trolley away from the autoclave.